In this video I can't say you the theory, but I want to say you a way to use it for intraday setup, and you can have this setup in your PC because Heiken Ashii is an indicator native on MetaTrader 405. For example, today we will see how to use it to trade euro-dollar in intraday. We will use a fast time frame like M5 or M15. You have more details here in my site. I say it again for new arrival now on Facebook. Good morning to all. I will write the link on my description on the site, so you will able to read all. Okay. Now I wait for something else to live, but come on back on the charts. First of all, I have here euro-dollar with Heiken Ashii and pivot point. This type of trend today is an uptrend from yesterday low to now is an uptrend, and as you can see, blue candles, blue Heiken Ashii are very strong for now. But we need to understand if we can open some position or to follow the trend or to go reverse. Maybe prices here near the top, or maybe prices want to go over the top. But with this type of setup, we will decide mathematically how we need to set our trends. It's important to understand that the color of Heiken Ashii say as a trend, but as you can see, sometimes color change very fast, and so we are near a range, and in the range we can have some difficulty. So the first things to think about this strategy is to enter or with buy stop on the top or sell stop positions on the low, and we need to exclude inside the bars. For example, the last candle in formation is an inside bar of previous, so this type of candle is not important for my setup, but I will see prices over this max high or prices under this low. Okay, but what of the two trend we needed to prefer? We will go up or we will go down? This is the very question of very important. This is the way of the trend. To understand this, I suggest you to see also candlestick. And if you open the candlestick, you can see two type of color in some candles. For example, for now we have a black candlestick but a blue Heiken Ashii. So we understand that price and the market here is not very clear. We have in a way a long situation, and in another way candlestick that say us, hey, stay with attention because prices maybe have done a top. But this is, as you can say before, this is an inside bar, so we needed to wait a breakout bar, okay, with two different colors. For example, before this, we have here a black with a blue, where we need to follow Heiken Ashii, so by stop, filtered because they that are inside, by stop not entered. Here sell stop in red, sell stop in red, and sell stop not entered at the last. But here we can close all the sell, and now we will search the long way. Okay, so in this way we can enter in a long black candle, but with a long setup of Heiken Ashii. In this way we can follow the trend when it is in pause, and so we can buy at the best price, and we can set up a best risk reward, because we have a risk more little and a reward more great. So it's very important to set this, because we are traders and we need to stay at market when we have a reward more double or more great of risk. Okay, so we needed to wait in M15 another setup, but we can see maybe other type of signals. Maybe gold is very interesting. For now we needed to wait a new setup. Also silver, it's very important, because we can set now on the top a buy stop, okay, and we can wait prices go over, or on the DAX, very interesting, because we need to set here a sell stop, because we have a red candlestick, a red Heiken Ashii, but a white candlestick. So prices for now is going up, but candlestick say us stay short. Okay, so if prices we fall the low, we enter in a new trend, and we can follow this type of movement. The stop loss will go on the opposite side of this of the chart. So this stop is, for example, here. So we need to set stop 315, 335. No, it's too much. Okay, and our risk for now is about 25 point, and we need to set a take profit double about 50 point. So 25 risk, 50 profits. Okay. Okay, perfect. Oh, now we need only to wait price go where I need. For example, on oil we need to set here a long on this type of price. We are far low, but this is a long. The stop is in the here in the opposite side of the bar, and also here we need to risk to time. This is our risk. This is our reward. To time the risk. Okay, it's very simple to understand it, no? This is my risk. This is my reward. Two reward and one risk. Okay. On euro dollar we have already a blue setup, but it's an inside. So for now we are not interested to stay there. Okay, you understand it? For example, on Italian setup, here was a sell stop, not at market. On euro, sterling, euro, yen. Oh, it's not interesting. This is inside. New Zealand dollar. We have a top to set long. Okay, what's happening? This is a long situation. US CAD we have a short setup. Sterling, USD dollar, USD yen is a short setup again on the low, and so away. You can follow in this way the right movement of the market, the natural movement of the market. You will have a risk to half of the profit, so a risk reward 1 to 2. It's very important for the starts. And now, for example, if prices go up and we close with a long setup, we can cancel this setup and we will search the next setup. Okay, it's very simple to understand the logic, because we have a very fast way to trade in this moment. For all other information, I invite you to see my site, investing.wetrading.eu, and on educational content you have very important argument to read. You can choose also our partners to receive our free indicators that help you to trade the trend or the reversal, like the Ichimoku Kumo Breakout Pack and other type of instruments. I say thank you to all to stay here with me, and catch in the next. Another things very important. If you want, you can enter on our new newsletter that you have here in homepage. Right here, your newsletter, join the club, and you will receive a 50% discount for our best indicator pack where we trade intraday. Thank you at all and have a good day.